Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today I want to talk about a new project called BM Contract. And of course, we are going to do a scam check. Is this something worth your money, considering that you invest in it, or is it very likely that it will just be gone? So, first of all, they say that they do forex trading. And guys, if you know me for a long time, I prefer to trade based on my own decisions. And if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And if you don't know how to trade, I got the best trading course out there for you. Become a professional trader, cryptodealers.com. Check it out, everything you need. So let me show you guys. Basically, they say they trade Forex here. Of course, I always want to see, is there a white paper? Has there been, has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd and all of this? Okay, they have a white paper. I checked it. It's basically, it says just some a little bit what they do, but they say they trade Forex. Okay, so if they would trade Forex, they should connect whatever they do with my FX book so that it's legitimate and you can see all the trades and you can see are they making any profits or are they just producing losses. But as this project here, as you can see, they are not connected to my FX book, and they just say basically this here. You get 3% daily for 20 days, 4% daily for 20 days, or 5% daily for 20 days. How is this possible? Basically, guys, it's just a big Ponzi scheme. The contract has not been audited. The team has not been KYC'd. There's no legitimate business model behind all of this. So it's just a big Ponzi scheme. They need new users to come in and pay the rewards of the existing users. Basically, at some point in a couple of hours or days, this will just be gone and your investment will be gone. So because anyway, you don't know who is behind this project, you don't see any face or whatever, yeah. They just say they trade Forex, but if they would trade Forex, why don't they show their trades on my FX book so that we can really see what they are doing? So would I invest in it? Of course not. I prefer to stick to trading. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.